Hi there, good morning. I am Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a licensed real estate broker and a partner of Greenfield Development Corporation. We are here to the segment of Best in Town Property PH na tanong mo, sagot ko. Ito ang tanong, bro, okay lang ba na forever na lang akong mangupahan? Ako Brad, stop that mindset. Alam mo ba, yung binabayad mong 15K to 20K sa rent month after month, thank you na lang yun sa landlord mo. Why not ilagay yan sa investment na mapapasa iyo talaga? Dito sa Sadia, for almost the same price, may studio unit ka na sa Greenfield City. In 5 years, yung rent mo, resibo na lang. Dito sa Sadia, property value na tumataas. On your future na, wag lang puro rent receipts. Send us a message now to book your dreaming schedule. This is Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a PRC licensed real estate broker and an accredited partner of Greenfield Development Corporation, helping you find not just a property, but the right investment for your future. Thank you very much.